The National Electrical Code, specifically Section 314.17c, addresses the proper installation of cable connectors. This section mandates that cable connectors must be listed and identified for use with the specific cable type employed. Furthermore, the installation must adhere strictly to the manufacturer's instructions. Generally, manufacturer's instructions specify that the lock nut should be positioned on the inside of the box or panel, while the two screws are located on the outside. Deviation from this prescribed installation method, such as installing Romex connectors in reverse, can introduce several potential hazards. Firstly, improper grounding can result. The lock nut plays a crucial role in establishing a secure electrical connection between the cable and the box or panel. When installed backward, the lock nut may fail to achieve sufficient tightness, leading to loose connections and, consequently, potential electrical hazards. Secondly, fire hazards can arise. A loose connection is prone to overheating, which can escalate into a fire. Thirdly, shock hazards can occur. A loose connection can expose wires, creating a risk of electric shock if a person comes into contact with them. Therefore, it is paramount to always comply with the manufacturer's instructions and the National Electrical Code when installing any electrical components.